As soon as you reach in a foreign country, you have to deal with lot of legal stuff. It is important though. Germany is not an exception. As soon as you arrive here, you have to finish lot of paperwork to settle down. Whether you come on job seeker visa or you came to join an employer or you came for the study. You have to finish all these required steps first, then only you can proceed with other things you want to do. In this video, I'm going to explain all these things step by step with a fresh perspective. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you're watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. After you have found temporary or permanent place for yourself in Germany, you must visit the local office to register yourself and your legal address in Germany. You can go to Ausländerbehörde, Gemeinde or local Rathaus, whichever is closer to you and in which area you are living in. You have to take your accommodation contract or your sublease agreement with your passport and visa so that you can be registered there. They will take these documents and verify them. Afterwards, they will give you a confirmation letter which will be your legal address proof within Germany. Wherever you go, somebody asks for the address proof, then this confirmation letter will be treated as your address. Authorities will also send over your data to the tax office. Tax office will register you and send over your tax number within 1 to 2 weeks. If you do not hear back from them, you can also contact tax office yourself to ask for your tax number. Second important step will be to activate the block account, whether you came on job seeker visa or you came as a student. It is always recommended to activate your block account upon your arrival, even if you are carrying lot of cash. Also, it will help you to make sure you have continuous supply of money. In case you have opened up your block account with the Deutsche Bank, you can visit directly, take the required documents such as your passport, your visa and address confirmation letter. They will activate your bank account and send over other documents to your postal address such as online banking or ATM card related details. In case you have opened a block account with an online bank such as Fintiba, then you still have to open a bank account in Germany, which you have to provide to Fintiba along with the documents such as passport, visa and address confirmation. Once this is done, you will still need the real bank account to withdraw the cash from the bank branches or cash withdrawal machines. Before we proceed further in the video, let me also mention that I provide coaching and support services to move to Germany. Whether you want to come on job seeker visa, getting a job abroad, or you want to come for study, bachelor's or master's. You can contact me directly on the below given email address for further detail. Third step for you is to register for health insurance. Health insurance is mandatory in Germany. There are a lot of options available, whether it's a public or private health insurance. It is always recommended to go for the public health insurance because you will be better covered with them. And also it covers your dependents at no extra cost. Additionally, it is easy to switch over from public health insurance to private health insurance later on. But if you have registered for the private health insurance and later on you want to move to the public health insurance, it might be a task next to impossible. So it's always better to try the public health insurance first and later on you can consider whether you want to go for private one or you want to continue the public one. For public insurance, you can directly call the insurance companies such as TK, AOK or Barmer. They will guide you on the application process and you don't have to visit them personally to apply for the insurance. Please keep in mind that getting the health insurance is really important. It not only covers you on the health related issues, but also you have to provide that number to the employer so that employer can make contributions to the concerned health insurance company. First step is to register for pension insurance. Purpose of this insurance is to get you covered under social insurance, which covers unemployment benefits or parental leave, child benefits or other related matters. To register for this insurance, you can directly call the pension insurance authority, which is Deutsche Rentenversicherung, or you can visit their website and apply for this insurance directly. You will get the insurance number by post at your home. You will also need this insurance number to provide to your employer to make your social insurance contributions. Last and final step is to get your visa extended. You entered into Germany on the entry permit. So it is always recommended to extend your work permit or apply for blue card as soon as you move to Germany. To apply for blue card or extension of your work permit, you will need your health insurance and also confirmation of your block account. In case you came to join a job, then you need an appointment confirmation letter from your employer, which will prove that you are capable to take care of your living expenses. So, except for applying for health insurance and getting the confirmation of your block account, you can finish all other things in parallel to visa extension. In addition, you will need other basic documents and biometric photographs for the visa extension. This is all I have in today's video. You can give a thumbs up or comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.